Okay, so we are given this question. Capital F of x is integral 0 to x f of t dt, and the capital F of x squared is x squared of 1 positive x. We are expected to find f of 4. Now this is the lowercase. Now you have to zero in the correct solution or the correct choice for this question. So I'm going to pause the video. You can work the solution out and pick out the right choice, and then check back and see what or how the working goes. Now foremost, by Leibniz rule, f dash of x will produce f of x. Now given capital F of x squared is x squared of 1 positive x, which means capital F of x squared is x to the power of 2 positive x to the power of 3. So therefore capital F of x is going to be x positive x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now f dash of x is going to be x positive 3 over 2 times x raised to the power of 3 over 2 negative 1, which is going to be 1 positive 3 over 2 x raised to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. That will give you 1 over 2. So this is my capital F dash of x. But capital F dash of x is nothing but f of x. So for f of 4, we need to get f of 4. So this would mean f of x is equal to 1 positive 3 over 2 x raised to the power of 1 over 2. So for f of 4, you have 1 positive 3 over 2 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which is going to be 1 positive 3 over 2. 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 will give me 2. 2 gets cancelled. You get 1 positive 3, which is equal to 4. So therefore, this is the value for f of 4. Now go back and see the choices. Which is the correct one? Is it 5? No. Is it 7? No. Is it 4? Yes. So this is the correct solution for this question. Thank you, students. Please like, share and subscribe.